Once again, I'm out here on the property, and I am filming right now with my brand new HoHem I-Steady Pro 4, specifically made, and I bought it specifically for my GoPro 10. And it also fits everything from GoPro 5 on up to the 10 as well. I do have another HoHem gimbal, as I said earlier, for my cell phone. And I do have an adapter plate for my GoPro 7 that I use on that one as well, or did use on that one, but I can use it on this one now. But this thing works great. The stabilization is wonderful. I have it turned off on the camera, letting the gimbal do all the work. And as far as balancing it, oh, it's just amazing. It is amazing how easily it is to balance. Now, the only thing I don't like about it is how I have to rig all the concoction for my wireless microphones and stuff on the side of the gimbal. Whereas on the stationary gimbal I have, you know, it was built off of the case that the camera sat in, and it, well, I'll show you a picture of that as well. But this thing is smooth. I love it. It's lightweight. It's a little bit shorter, where my hand goes around it to, you know, carry it. But as you can see, you don't see the up and down movement when I'm walking like I did with the standard gimbal. So I don't know, I'm kind of on the wall trying to decide whether I want to keep this one or if I want to send it back and just use the standard gimbal. Because I'm thinking with the standard gimbal I can adjust the settings on this stabilization on this camera. Instead of just using the standard high stabilization, I can put it on super high hyper resolution, or stabilization rather. So I don't know. But another thing about it is the modes on this thing. Got four different modes on it, and I'm just real hesitant about using the the pan button. Like for example, this doing that or that, because I get carried away and the button's too fast for me. But it's not the camera, it's me. So I don't fault the camera at all. But it works great, as you can see. I love it. For 85 bucks, it was 99, but I got a discount coupon code. So with tax and everything, it was like 85 and some change. So anyway, like I said, I'm on the wall, and I will know for sure when I get back in the house, and if the recording audio is good and up to par, well, I might just go ahead and keep this little bad boy. But anyway, hope everybody's having a good day. As you can see, it's you can up here. Wrong way. As you can see, it's cloudy today. It's nice and cool though. And so I gotta go downtown to the VA this evening at 7:30 and do a CAT scan. So well, that's always a real joy to do. Go downtown. But anyway, y'all have a great day, and thanks again for watching. Okay, this time around I have my GoPro on a standard gimbal, no motorization to it, and I have the stabilization settings on the camera itself, and it's set on high. If I set it on super, the highest setting for the stabilization, it'll crop the picture too much. That setting is called boost. But anyway, The stabilization with the camera and with me holding the gimbal, well, I can't see a whole lot of difference in it. Well, I say that now, but I haven't looked at it on my iPad or computer yet. So, but anyway, this is what it looks like now without the new motorized gimbal I just bought. So if this one looks just as good to me, I'm gonna be sending the other one back, because like I said, this is much easier to operate, and I don't see any problem with using this one if everything's working good. There's my neighbor over there. That was him hollering at me a while ago. That's Jim Sr. He's always messing with me. Okay, let me go back in there and look at this. Y'all have a great day, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye now.
Beep beep.